Assalamualaikum children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Again we are back with English subject. You can see on your screen English worksheet number 16, week 6. This is your week 6 children, and in the week 6 video you can see the worksheet number 16, recapitulation of all strokes. See here we are going to recapitulate the strokes once again. Okay, what are strokes? Strokes are standing line, sleeping line, right slanting line, left slanting line, right curve, left curve, up curve, down curve, zigzag line. So these all are strokes. We have already learned this. We are going to recapitulate. We are going to write full page once again. Are you ready? Let's write. Here you can see I have given the dots. The same you have to join the dots. See here, from this to this, standing line, standing line, standing line. Like this you have to join the dots. And this is sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, right slanting line, right slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line, left slanting line, left slanting line, right curve. See, from this dot make a curve, then join this dot. Right curve, right curve. The same you have to do the full page. See, the full page you have to do, then turn the page. If you turn the worksheet number 16, then you will see more strokes. Left curve, left curve, left curve, up curve, up curve, up curve, down curve, down curve, down curve, zigzag line, zigzag line, zigzag line. Like this, zigzag line. This also you have to do full page after this. If you turn the page, if you turn the worksheet, then see worksheet number 17, picture reading. We have picture reading here. We are going to read the pictures. Observe the picture and tell me what pictures you can see there. First you see the letter here, A. What is this? A, capital A, and this is called small a. A, ant. What is the sound of A, children? A, ant. A, aeroplane. A, apple. A, alligator. A, axe. So these many pictures will come with the letter A. And what is the sound of A? What is the sound of A? A, apple. Here, apple. A, ant. A, aeroplane. A, alligator. A, axe. So like this you have to read the picture reading. After this, if you turn the worksheet, you will have the pictures again. Pictures with the letter A. Color them. You see the heading here? Pictures with the letter A. Color them. You can see the same pictures. A, apple. A, axe. A, aeroplane. A, ant. A, alligator. So here we are going to color all these pictures. Let's color the axe. A, axe. A, axe. And the sound of A, and the sound of A, This is called axe. Now after the, which picture you can see? Aeroplane. Which picture? Aeroplane. Color the plane now. Which color I'm doing here? Can you tell me? Blue color. Which color, children? Blue color. This is blue. The color blue, 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 blue. Do you know what color is this? This is blue. Aeroplane. Do the color. After doing this, take another color. You can do the your favorite colors also. Okay? Now we are going to color in apple. Apple. What is the color? Red color. This is red. The color red. Red, red, red. Do you know what color is this? This is red. Which color we are doing in apple, children? Red color. Apple. Aeroplane. Axe. After that, see the next picture here. Ant. 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 This is red. The color red. Red, red, red. Do you know what color is this? This is red. Now see the next picture. Alligator. Alligator. We are going to color in the alligator green. This is green. The color green. Green, green, green. Do you know what color is this? This is green. Alligator. After you finish the pictures, then if you turn the page, you will have the letter A. These all pictures comes with the letter A. Alligator. Aeroplane. Axe. Apple. Ant. Now see the next worksheet. In the worksheet number 18, you can see letter A. Trace the capital letter A and color the pictures. See here which letter? A. Apple. Aeroplane. Alligator. Ant. Now trace the letter A. Right slanting line, left slanting line, sleeping line. A. Which letter? A. You can trace with the crayon also. Right slanting line, left slanting line, sleeping line. A. Capital A. Now see here. One slanting line, two slanting line, sleeping line. A. Very easy. One slanting line, two slanting line, sleeping line. A. One slanting line, two slanting line, sleeping line. A. The same you have to do the full page. Apple. Apple. Ant. Alligator. Aeroplane. Okay children, the full page you have to do the tracing and color the pictures. Do it full page. If you turn the page, again you will have letter A, capital letter A, trace the full page. A. One slanting line, two slanting line, sleeping line. A. Capital A. Which A we are writing? Capital A. Right slanting line, left slanting line, sleeping line. So the same you have to do full page. Do it and submit to me. Thank you all.